What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel where I show you the best tweaks for your device. In today's video I'm gonna show you the top 12 jailbreak tweaks for your device. These tweaks will add more new features and improvements to your device like never before, as well as many changes in your device. These tweaks are from the must download jailbreak tweak series, all in one video. Okay, as always, if you would like to stay up to date with the latest iOS jailbreak tweaks and jailbreak news, of course don't forget to subscribe and make sure you turn on notifications so that you don't miss another episode. Alright, the first tweak we have here is Riveria. This tweak brings a complete redesign to the settings app, letting you get rid of its boring design. With this tweak you will get a tile-based interface for settings that consists of cells for each option. One of the best things about this tweak is that you can rearrange the position of the cells and place the settings that are more important to you at the top. The tweak offers many customization opportunities to the users, including the ability to change the color of the settings app's background, change the font color for labels, change the colors of cells, or use random colors that change every time you open settings. The next tweak is repo. This tweak is one of the best jailbreak tweaks that gives you many features and allows you to hack apps and games with just one click. So in this video guys, I will show you the tweak and its features. This tweak is a repo tweak. This tweak is similar to apps hacks tweak. With this tweak you can hack over 200 popular apps and games easily. As you see, you can hack AI apps, design apps, VPN apps, music apps, and more. This tweak also can hack many games, as you see, and it's really easy to use. The next tweak is Jade. This tweak completely redesigned the control center, offers a reimagined control center experience for iOS, allowing users to seamlessly integrate new modules into their control center while fully supporting all stock modules as well. This tweak supports rootless jailbreaks on iOS 15 and iOS 16. This tweak extensive customization options extend to the control center's location and behavior, providing you with a rich array of choices. You can select to open the control center from its original location, or you can opt from the bottom left, bottom right, or even both bottom left and right corners of your screen. With this tweak, your control center's accessibility is not only improved, but also uniquely tailored to suit your needs. The next tweak is Gesto. This tweak completely redesigned and enhances the multitasking view of iOS, as you can see, making it powerful yet familiar with a native look and design and gorgeous animations. App switcher and control center in the same view, so you can access control center quickly from multitasking. The tweak also lets you lock any app, as you can see, so when you try to close the app from the multitasking, you won't be able to do that, and I think this is the best feature of this tweak. If you want to unlock the app, just swipe it down and that's it. Now you can close the app from multitasking. It's a really amazing feature. The next tweak is Akara. This tweak completely redesigned and enhances the control center, as you can see, making it powerful yet familiar with a native looking and gorgeous design. With this tweak, users can now gain control over the appearance of the stock control center module on iOS 14, 15, and iOS 16, bringing a refreshing and personalized touch to their device interface. Created with customization in mind, it gives you a variety of options to set up your control center your way. The next tweak is Visage. This tweak will bring Face ID like facial recognition to iPhones that aren't equipped with true Face ID. This tweak uses the front-facing camera to compare your face to stored images. Those images are stored and proceed on device, so you never have to worry about privacy. Face ID is a biometric authentication, was a serious upgrade in device accessibility when it first debuted in the iPhone X, but now with Visage tweak, it will bring Face ID-like functionality to jailbroken non-Face ID iPhones. If you are ever locked out of your device for any reason and Visage fails to work, you can simply enter your passcode as a fallback option. The tweak works on the following functions: unlocking the lock screen, substituting Touch ID in apps to use face scan, password, autofill authentication, and authentication when downloading free apps from the App Store. That tweak has many features and it only works with iPhones running iOS 14, 15, and iOS 16. The next tweak is Designer. This tweak will completely redesign the lock screen and home screen and gives you the ability to create and apply widgets to the lock screen and home screen. Unlike widget or any other iOS widgets, this tweak allows you to place widgets or elements anywhere on the screen, giving your device a totally unique look unlike anyone else. This tweak provides many options to hide stock elements on both lock screen and home screen. So for example, you can hide options such as time, lock icon, control center, camera, app, library, and many more. Includes a built-in theme editor. This editor allows you to customize any theme, widget, or create one from scratch. Also, there are options for weather animations on the lock screen and ways for the user to add their own localization files. The next tweak is Rune. This tweak will bring a useful quick actions to your device, as you can see. It's seamlessly integrating a range of useful actions through a simple swipe up gesture. With this amazing tweak, you can quickly access to these control center modules, access your favorite apps anywhere, do a quick action such as resprinting your device, quickly access music panel to see now playing media and control it from the bottom of your display, and finally access to the listening mode panel, which allows you to change from noise cancellation to off and transparency. This tweak offers an array of features and extensive configuration options. Customize each panel individually, allowing you to pick exactly which actions appear and how they function. The next tweak is Bloom. This tweak will add new beautiful animated notifications to your device. This tweak brings a new experience to notifications by playing wonderfully designed animations. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how the tweak works. So I'm gonna send a message from my other device to my iPhone, and as you can see, once you receive a notification, you will get this beautiful animated notifications. Of course, you can change the animation from the tweak settings to one of these available animations. You have the flexibility to adjust the frequency of animation repeats on notifications and change default speed. With this amazing tweak, you will get only display-friendly animated effects that match the color of the app icon you are receiving a notification from. The tweak supports rootful and rootless jailbreaks such as Checkrain, Dopamine, and Pelorine, and it works on iOS 14 up to iOS 16. The next tweak is Tako. This tweak will bring the popular priority hub-like concept to the latest versions of iOS. This tweak changes the look of the notification list displayed on the lock screen, as you see. This is the latest take on the priority hub-esque notification experience for the lock screen and notification center. As you can see, this amazing tweak will make the notifications like this, and of course you can customize it and change how it looks in the tweak preferences. Here, as you see, you can choose one of these styles such as default style, accent grouped style, full icon with bottom bar, Android style, and more. Okay, so once you choose the style you want, just make sure to respring your device to apply the changes. And as you see, you can customize and change the style easily. I will choose the style, and boom, that's it. The next tweak is Classic Folders 3. This tweak brings iOS 6 folders designed to modern jailbreaks running iOS 13 and above. That tweak was updated for iOS 15 and iOS 16 with some improvements, including activating modern style automatically in dark theme. This amazing tweak brings the look and feel of iOS 6 folders to your modern iOS device. If you are a fan of skeuomorphic design of iOS 6 and below, this tweak is a nice addition to your setup. That tweak used to be very popular back in the days of Ancover and Pangu jailbreaks because it was often used in classic iOS setups alongside iOS 6 themed icons and UI elements. If you missed the look of iOS 6 folders, you will be glad to find out about this amazing jailbreak tweak known as Classic Folders by iOS developer TrollStore. Alright, the last tweak we have here is FakeGPS Pro. This tweak allows you to fake your location with just one click. That tweak allows you to fake your device location to any place you want and set any location you want as default location. This amazing tweak has many features and it's called FakeGPS Pro. As you see, this is the tweak. It's pretty easy to change your location with this tweak. Just select the location you want on the map, then press the play button at the bottom here. As you can see, my location has changed immediately. That tweak has an amazing feature that allows you to change the location of any app you want while not changing the location in all your device. Alright guys, these tweaks will make your device much better and will bring more features to your device. If you want more tweaks, be sure to subscribe to my channel where I show you the best tweaks. So guys, this is our tweaks for today. As always, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more jailbreak tweaks videos, and peace.